With the emergence of the internet and many online platforms, more and more people are turning toward online platforms for learning. It is anticipated that the global e-learning market will increase to $375 billion by 2026, up from less than $200 billion in 2019. Currently, the demand for authentic and credible courses is extremely high, and it will continue to rise. In fact, the market for selling courses is enormous, and there is a huge demand from eager buyers who are looking for high-quality courses to help them improve their abilities and advance in their careers and in their own personal growth. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make money by selling courses online from scratch. If you're new to all this and have no idea where to begin, this video is for you. So if you're ready to delve into the world of online course selling, follow these steps. Step 1. Develop an online course. Your business's success is dependent on its content. It is the main product, and it must be valuable and useful. The first step in developing a course is to identify a specific niche in your field. To begin, identify a problem that your target audience is experiencing. Consider what problem your course will solve. You must conduct research to identify a problem in your area. Visit marketplaces to find out what your competitors are offering in terms of content, find gaps, and make a better course that gives students more value. After choosing a topic, you'll need to make your course, which includes making a rough outline, writing a script, gathering visuals and media, recording, editing, and more. You can make your course right on the selling platform using the editing tools that come with it, or you can put together the content you already have using a course authoring toolkit like 𝗗𝗜𝗦𝗖𝗟𝗔𝗜𝗠𝗘𝗥. Step 2. Choose a selling platform. A course selling platform allows you to host, deliver, and sell your course to end users while also managing everything from course creation to marketing and payment processing. There are numerous selling platforms to choose from. 𝗗𝗚𝗏𝗡, Udemy, and thinkific are the popular options. Step 3. Market your course. There is no guarantee that sales will result from merely uploading your course to a marketplace. You need to be aggressive in your promotion of it. The most effective way to market your course so that you can quickly begin making money off of it is by the following methods. Creating a blog. A blog will help you to generate a lot of targeted traffic and build up your reputation. A blog is a good way to reach a large audience. Make use of email marketing. Email marketing has the highest return on investment among all the promotion channels because it is highly personalized and non-intrusive. Social media. You can also use different social media platforms to spread the word about the course you are selling and attract many customers by sharing info about your course. Step 4. Automation. As soon as you begin sales, one of the most likely next steps to take is to look into developing additional courses so that you can expand your business and increase your income. Therefore, it is critical to implement marketing and sales automation for courses so that your attention can be directed toward the development of new content. On some platforms, you can set these processes to run completely automatically. For example, 𝗗𝗚𝗏𝗡 integrates with Zapier, which enables you to connect your marketplace with a wide variety of other applications. This simplifies and expedites the process of automating your entire workflow. You can automatically add students to your marketing campaign, sign up new buyers for your course, and keep track of your visitors so you can send them targeted emails based on what they do on your website. Step 5. Market course licenses. Finally, you can also sell your course licenses to companies that do not wish to develop the course on their own. They are in charge of the marketing, customer service management, and technical aspects of the business. The only thing required of you is to develop the training program and obtain the annual licensing fee. You will still be responsible for marketing your course to the companies and institutions that might be interested in purchasing it, and the sales cycle will take significantly more time. However, you will be able to charge more, and it will be possible to remove some of the management responsibilities from your daily schedule. To sum up the whole discussion, If you are able to provide excellent content and communicate effectively with your target market, developing and selling your own online courses can be an extremely lucrative endeavor. In addition, because there are so many different modern platforms available, you can launch your course and immediately begin earning money from it. For instance, you can make your first sales even before the 14-day trial period is over by using iSpring Market, which you can try out for free. That's all for today's video, guys. What are your thoughts about today's video? Tell us your views in the comments section, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. See you in the next video. Cheers.